To have a dog. Just like people, dogs need physical maintenance to look good and feel great comfort. Fortunately, dogs do not need to shower as often as people do, but you do need to know the number of times your dog needs to cut his hair and make a schedule for it. In general, the attention and care of dogs depends on the type of breed and type of hair. If your dog has any injuries to the skin, ears, or fingernails, follow your veterinarian's instructions regarding caring for your dog. It is also important to use the right hair clippers. Dog care basics. Clean hair. Most dogs enjoy brushing. Brushing the dog regularly strengthens your bond with your dog, in addition to helping them maintain healthy coat. Dog brushing needs depend on their hair type. Choose the right brush and follow these guidelines. Long-haired dogs usually need daily brushing to prevent hair from getting tangled. Medium-haired dogs can be prone to tangles and should be groomed at least weekly. Dogs with short hair can usually spend a few weeks in between grooming. Regardless of the type of hair, you can clean the dog daily, especially if the dog loves and enjoys the cleaning process, and one of the most important advantages of regular cleaning is that it will keep the fur shiny and healthy. Brushing dogs frequently during the hair loss season can also help prevent hair loss and excessive hair loss. Cutting nails. Dogs and their owners often hate nail trimming. Most dogs hate the idea of handling their paws, and it is known to you how painful it is when nails are cut and are too short. Often, dog owners are uncomfortable and anxious for fear of any kind of harm to the dog, and it is important to know that dogs will grow and adopt a dislike of the process of nail clipping as soon as they are exposed to pain from it. The best way to avoid this is to learn how to properly trim nails and be careful. It is best for a veterinarian or groomer to teach you how to trim your dog's nails, because most dogs need monthly manicures and manicures, but your dog may need fewer or more numbers depending on the growth rate. Nails. Shower. Bath time isn't fun for most dogs, and neither are their owners. Because it may result in some problems that cause inconvenience in the house, as the dog may become wet with water and fall out of it all over the house. This is an incorrect way to bathe, because if the dog gets used to this method, he will likely hate the bath and the cleaning process, but the bathing process will be easy and comfortable if you learn how to shower your dog properly and make this experience as positive as you can for you and the dog. Most dogs only need to be bathed when they appear unclean. Many people like to clean their dogs monthly, but bathing the dog once a week is not harmful to him. You should also use a soap-free shampoo designed for dogs. Depending on the condition of your dog's skin and scalp, your vet may recommend a specific shampoo. In this case, be sure to follow your vet's instructions about the bathing process. Ear care. A dog's ears can be a haven of bacteria and foam if they are not clean. Some dogs can spend their entire lives without ear problems. One of the most important things required in the basics of dog care is regular ear cleaning during the monthly bath. It is important to know that dogs suffering from chronic ear diseases require frequent cleaning operations a day. Often, ear problems can be traced back to genetics. Also, dogs with floppy ears or long hair may be prone to ear problems because the ear canal is simply not exposed to much air. A lot of ear problems may indicate that your dog is allergic. If your dog has excess debris or a foul odor in his ears, your vet will likely prescribe special ear cleansers and medications. If your dog's ears are relatively healthy, they should be preserved in this way, with proper ear care. Hair cutting for dogs. Usually, dogs with ever-growing hair, such as the poodle or Shih Tzu dog, need to have their hair trimmed every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the type of dog's breed and the way of cutting. It is often best to leave this task to a professional groomer, although many dog owners are able to learn some basic grooming.